Okay, here we have a few air conditioners right here. Trane XB13. 2008 4-ton. Mine says it's pretty dirty, but it is very cold. The unit itself is like filthy too. There, right here. I think that's a Copeland scroll. Not entirely sure though. It's from 2021, and it is a 4-ton, 4 blades. Oh, I must have just replaced one of these XB13s. So I got an XB13 and a Merit.